Here's how to fix Steam getting stuck on checking for updates on your PC. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Start by opening Steam. Once Steam opens, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Now click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that you'll be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted update files that can cause Steam to get stuck while checking for updates. Step 2. Reset Steam network settings. After logging back in, open Steam settings again. Go to the Download section. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely. Then reopen Steam. Resetting Steam's network settings forces Steam to reconnect to update servers and often clears update checking loops. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If Steam is still stuck, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type then press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing Steam service fixes broken background components required for Steam updates to start properly. After completing these steps, Steam should move past checking for updates and launch normally. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.